Hi, I'm Effie, and welcome back to Lifestyle Tips for Me. If you're new here, I'm all about sharing practical advice for clean living, healthy habits, and overall wellness. Today, I'm diving into a question I get asked all the time. What exactly is clean eating? Whether you're a total beginner or just curious about what it means, this video will break it all down for you. Plus, I'll share a few tips to help you get started. So let's jump right in. Clean eating is all about focusing on whole, minimally processed foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Think fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. The idea is to fuel your body with nutrient-rich foods that help you feel your best while avoiding things like artificial additives, preservatives, and heavily processed items. To put it simply, clean eating isn't a diet. It's a lifestyle that's about choosing real food over fake food. So, why should you consider clean eating? Let me break down a few benefits. 1. Boosts energy. Whole foods provide your body with the nutrients it needs to keep you energized throughout the day. 2. Improves digestion. Clean eating often means more fiber, which helps your digestive system stay on track. 3. Supports weight management. You're more likely to feel full and satisfied when eating nutrient-dense foods, which can help prevent overeating. 4. Promotes overall wellness. By avoiding harmful additives and processed junk, you're reducing the risk of long-term health issues. Before we move on, let's clear up a common misconception. Clean eating is not about being perfect. It's not about cutting out entire food groups or obsessing over every single thing you eat. It's about progress, not perfection. Even small changes like swapping out sugary snacks for fresh fruit can make a big difference over time. If you're ready to start clean eating, here are 3 simple steps to get you going. 1. Read labels. If you can't pronounce an ingredient or don't recognize it, it's probably best to avoid it. 2. Focus on whole foods. Start by adding more fresh produce, whole grains, and lean proteins to your meals. 3. Cook at home. Preparing your own meals lets you control what goes into your food and helps you avoid unnecessary additives. Remember, you don't have to overhaul your diet overnight. Start small and build from there. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of what clean eating is and why it's so important. If you're ready to learn even more, don't forget to like this and subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing tips, recipes, and advice to make clean living simple and sustainable for you. In my next video, I'll share 10 easy steps to help you start clean eating today. These are actionable tips that you can implement right away, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.